Hi everyone, in this video we will practice pronouncing the 5 tones in Thai. Many people can't pronounce them correctly because they don't know how to shape their mouths when speaking. Let's learn together. In Thai, consonants are divided into 3 tone classes: high class, mid class, and low class consonants. And the tone marks changes the sound. And of course, when the tone changes, the meaning changes too. Thai has 5 tones and 4 tone marks. They are เสียงสามัญไม่เอกไม่โทไม่ตรี and ไม่จัตวา in Thai. All 5 tones are only fully used with mid-class consonants. There are 9 mid-class consonants. กอไก่จอจานดอชดาตอประตักดอเด็กตอเต่าบอใบไม้ปอปลา and ออ่าง Let's practice pronouncing them. Alright, let's start with consonant you hear often, the famous one, ปอปลา The starting sound for ปอปลา is ปะ ปะ Combine it with the vowel r, ปะ r becomes ปา ปา That's the mid-tone. Alright, when practicing, we'll always go in this order: mid-tone, low tone, falling, high, and raising. Or in Thai, สามัญเอกโทตรีจัตวา Writing them in this order might make it a bit hard to remember which tone are low or high. So, I will write it in a way that is easier to remember. Better, right? Okay, once you got a mid-tone, let's learn the mouth shapes for the other tones. The first one is the low tone mark, ไม่เอก ไม่เอก is low, steady pitch, ป่า 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 To make the low tone, lower your jaw to drop the pitch. Okay, ป่า 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 Compare it with the mid-tone. Pa, 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 pa. Again. Pa, pa. Okay, next tone is the falling tone. ไม่โท The falling tone starts high and drops. Change the mouth by opening both upper and lower jaw to reach the high pitch. Pa, pa. The falling tone drops slightly at the end. Pa, pa. Okay, compare it with the mid-tone and low tone. Pa, 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 pa. Again. Pa, pa, pa. Alright? Okay, next, the high tone or เสียงตรี Three tone is higher than the falling tone or ไม่โท Pa, pa. The mouth shape is similar to the falling tone, but you hit the sound harder and hold the mouth shape slightly longer. Pa, pa. Okay, let's try from the beginning. Pa, 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 pa. Again. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, the last tone is the rising tone. ไม่จัตวา ไม่จัตวา or the rising tone start low, then rises slightly at the end. ป๋า ป๋า Lower your jawline with the ไม่เอก but hold it a bit longer. ป๋า 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 Okay, let's try. Pa, 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 pa. One more time. Pa, 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 pa. pa 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 pa. Okay, here's a trick for practicing. If it's a low tone, move only your lower jaw. And if it's a high tone, use both jaws. Just remember which tones are low and which are high. Okay, let's practice with other consonants and vowels. Focus on mouth shapes and mimicking my sound. Some practiced words might have no meaning. Don't worry. The goal is to train tone changes. Okay, we will start with กอไก่ and the vowel R. Ka, R become Ga, Ga. Okay. Ga, 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 Ga. Again. Ga, 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 Ga. Ga, 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 Ga. Okay, next. กอไก่ and vowel I. ไก่ ไก่ Okay. ไก่ 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 Again. ไก่ 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 Again. ไก่ 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 Alright, next. จอจาน and is vowel. G, G. Okay. G, 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 G. One more time. G, 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 G. Okay, next. ดอเด็ก with vowel R. Da, R, da, da. Okay. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Alright? Okay, next. ใบไม้ with vowel I ไม้หมวน บะ I ใบ ใบ Okay. ใบ 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 One more time. ใบ 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 Alright. Next. R with vowel Okay. Um, 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 That's right. And that's the practice for all 5 tritone and 4-tone mouths for today. You can practice anytime to get used to shaping your mouth for the tones. You can practice with any consonant without worrying about meaning. Just remember, we are training mouth movement. If you shape your mouth correctly, you get the tone right. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye. สวัสดีครับ